Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hustler Mower Parts is probably one of the most crucial investments you can make to keep your lawn looking its best, and today we are diving deep into the world of Hustler Mower Parts, exploring the key components, their functions, and what to look for when choosing replacements or upgrades. We'll cover everything from blades and belts to spindles and decks, helping you make informed decisions to maintain peak performance and longevity of your Hustler mower. Number 5. Maxpower 561145B 3-blade set. This is the Maxpower 561145B, a 3-blade set designed for superior mowing performance. It's built to seamlessly integrate with your existing mower deck. It's compatible with many 52-inch cut Hustler and Dixie chopper mowers. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal cutting efficiency. Each blade measures 17 to 7/8 inches long and 2 to 1/2 inches wide. These precise dimensions guarantee a clean, even cut every time. This blade set replaces several OEM part numbers, including 603995, 783753, 795526, and 30227-52X. It's a direct replacement for a hassle-free upgrade. They feature a 5/8-inch center hole diameter and are manufactured to meet or exceed all OEM specifications. It's built to last, season after season. These blades come pre-sharpened and powder-coated for protection. The coating will wear off during the first use, revealing a razor-sharp edge. What we like. It's a 3-blade set designed for 52-inch cut mowers. It's a direct replacement for many original equipment manufacturer parts. If you need to replace your mower blades and want a perfect fit, this is the one for you. What people say. Heavy-duty replacement blades for the Hustler Raptor and other mowers. Used them on 3-yard cuts so far and still as sharp as new. Easy to install and seems to keep a good edge on the blades. Mulches the grass well with little to no leftover grass. These blades seem to be as good as blades that came on the mower. I haven't used them yet but wanted a set to install to speed up changing blades. Great value, were very sharp compared to 3 other sets that I have purchased over the years. Huge difference on first mow, nice. Number 4. 810 Hustler Raptor Spindles. These spindles are designed to revitalize your Hustler Raptor mower deck. They're built for improved cutting performance and consistent results. Experience a noticeable difference in your cutting quality. It provides a cleaner, more even cut across your entire lawn. Say goodbye to uneven cuts. These spindles ensure consistent performance, time after time, for a beautifully manicured lawn. Designed for a straightforward installation process. Get back to mowing your lawn quickly and efficiently. It's a direct replacement for the original Hustler 604214 spindle. A simple and effective upgrade for your mower. This convenient 3-pack provides everything you need to replace all your spindles at once. Save time and money with this economical option. Specifically designed for 52-inch Hustler Raptor and Raptor Limited models. Ensure a perfect fit for your mower. What we like. This is a 3-pack of spindles, specifically for 52-inch Hustler Raptor decks. They improve cutting consistency and capability. If you own a Hustler Raptor and want to enhance its performance, this is a great option. What people say. Significantly quieted down the deck. Perfect fit for my worn-out screaming bearings. Correctly fit my 52-inch deck on my Hustler Raptor. Took about 1.5 hours to change all 3 in the mower deck from start to finish. They seem to be great quality as well. Number 3. Hustler FasTrak Tune-Up Kit. It's time to breathe easy. This new air filter ensures your engine gets the cleanest air for optimal performance. Sharp blades make all the difference. This set of 3 will give you a clean cut every time. Keep things running smoothly. A new fuel filter removes impurities and ensures efficient fuel delivery. Protect your investment. This new oil filter keeps your engine clean and running smoothly for longer. Get that extra spark. These new spark plugs and fresh oil will have your engine running like new. What we like. It's a complete tune-up kit including blades, filters, and spark plugs for Kawasaki FR engines. It ensures optimal performance. If you want to give your mower a complete overhaul and maintain peak performance, this is the kit for you. What people say. Buy this kit every year for my 54 Hustler Raptor SDX. Everything fits like a charm. Mowing 16 acres, I go through lots of blades and servicing is important. This kit is perfect and money saving for me to service my mower. It has everything you need to keep your mower doing a quality job. This box is exactly what it is. Everything shipped in great shape. I use this for my spring tune-up and it's exactly what's recommended by the OEM book. Number 2. NoAir Flat Free Tire Assemblies. Say goodbye to flat tires. These heavy-duty assemblies are designed for superior performance and durability. They're perfect for keeping your lawn mowing smooth and efficient. It boasts powder-coated silver wheels and high-speed tapered roller bearings. This ensures a long lifespan and reliable operation, even under tough conditions. Experience a smooth, semi-pneumatic ride with these flat-free tires. No more bumpy rides or unexpected downtime due to flats. These 13x 6.50-6 tires are designed to fit Hustler X1, Super Z, and Super Z HD models. They're the perfect replacement for part numbers 604898, 789537, and 747782. They're designed for easy installation and require minimal maintenance. Spend less time on repairs and more time enjoying your lawn. Before purchasing, please double-check your model, serial, and part numbers to ensure a perfect fit. We want to make sure you get the right product for your machine. What we like. These are heavy-duty, flat-free tire assemblies. They are designed for Hustler X1 and Super Z models. If you are tired of flat tires and want a durable, maintenance-free solution, these are perfect. What people say. Hustler X1. Easy install, just pre-pack bearings then torque to 100 foot-pounds, a little more rough on the front WRT ride but not bad at all. No more flat tires for sure. Easy to install, no more air pressure issues. Bought these for my Hustler Raptor SD54 zero-turn mower. Fit perfectly. Replaced part number 604717 wheel and tire assembly. Installation was easy, just need to remove seal and pack bearings prior to installing. A little stiffer ride than pneumatic tires but not bad. Would definitely recommend. Number 1. Hustler Raptor SD Transaxle Brace. This is the new and improved Transaxle cross brace for your Hustler Raptor SD lawn mower. It's designed for superior durability and a smoother ride. We've upgraded the design for increased strength and reliability. This ensures your mower will last longer and perform better. It's designed for easy installation, so you can get back to mowing your lawn quickly. No special tools are required. This brace is built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's made from high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. Remember the part number 123292 for easy ordering. Get yours today and experience the difference. This upgrade will improve your mower's overall performance. You'll notice a smoother, more efficient cut. What we like. It's an upgraded Transaxle cross brace for enhanced durability. It's a direct replacement for part number 123292. If you need to reinforce your mower's structure and improve its longevity, this is the part you need. What people say. The bracket gets 5 stars because it is very sturdy and fit just right. Heavy-duty item compared to original. Perfect fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.